Every day, thousands of kids wake up feeling anxious, distracted, or just a little lost. But what if calm could fit in their pocket? This is MindNest BC, a breathing companion made for little lungs and big feelings. It gently guides children through fun, mindful exercises like Bumblebee Breath and Forest Echo, using real sounds from British Columbia's forests and salmon streams. Each session is short, joyful, and quietly teaches how to feel better without needing a screen. Behind it all is one solo inventor walking 11,000 steps each morning through nature, building this app with love. But to finish it, we need your help. With your support, MindNest BC can reach classrooms, homes, and little hearts across Canada and beyond. Help a child breathe easier, help salmon streams stay protected, help bring more peace into the world. Take a deep breath. Now imagine what that gift could mean to a child.